Hi kids! How are you today? I hope you are doing great. Welcome to another day of learning opportunity. I am your teacher, Ma'am Sheila V. Belda. I will be discussing with you another topic in English 5, and it is all about cause and effect and problem solution. At the end of the lesson, you are expected to differentiate compound and complex sentences and use them in showing cause and effect and problem solution relationships of ideas. Let's start now. Sentences are important features of language. A sentence is composed of subject and a predicate. It may be written in varied forms such as simple, compound, and complex. They are differentiated based on how they are written. Also, these sentences may contain varying themes and are helpful in expressing one's belief and feeling. Learning Task 1. Read each sentence. Underline the cause and encircle the effect. Write your answers in your notebook. Learning Task 2. Choose the letters of the best answer. Write your answers in your notebook. Let's move on to Learning Task 3. Write C if the sentence is a compound sentence and N if not. Write your answers in your notebook. Study the sentences below. I read a book in astronomy and I become interested in the subject. Next, astronomy deals with the study of heavenly bodies and those others found in the solar system and the universe. Then, I wanted to be an astronomer, but my father said no. Next, would I follow him or follow my dream? Lastly, mother says to follow my heart. The first, third, and fourth sentences are compound sentences. They are composed of two simple sentences or independent clauses of related ideas. These clauses or sentences are connected by coordinating conjunctions such as and, or, for, but, nor, so, and yet. Sentences may be developed in cause and effect and problem solution forms. These sentences are usually written in compound, a type of sentence composed of two independent clauses combined by semicolon, comma, or conjunctions, and complex, a type of sentence composed on one independent clause and one more dependent clauses sentences. Cause and effect. This sentence development shows clear relationship between ideas, showing the cause why a certain thing happens and an effect of the identified cause. Examples: the astronauts successfully landed, so they spent a day on the moon's surface. The astronauts successfully landed is the cause, and the effect is they spent a day on the moon's surface. Another example: this astronomy book interests me a lot and I read more books about it. This astronomy book interests me a lot is the cause, and the effect is I read more books about it. Let's move on to problem solution. It portrays a relationship of ideas in a sentence where one idea poses a problem and provides possible solution to it. Examples: Elena needs to pay her tuition fee, so she applies for a part-time job. The problem is Elena needs to pay her tuition, and the solution: she applies for a part-time job. Another sentence: John is not feeling well, so his parents brings him to the hospital. So our problem here is John is not feeling well. The solution in the sentence is his parents brings him to the hospital. Now let's move on to learning task 4. Supply the correct conjunctions or transition signals. Write your answers in your notebook. Learning task 5. Which of the following compound sentences show cause and effect? Write or put a check if the sentence shows cause and effect, and X if it shows problem solution. Write your answers in your notebook. Learning task 6. Connect the cause in column A with its effect in column B to show cause and effect relationship. Write your answers in your notebook. Let's move on to learning task 7. Complete each compound sentence to show cause and effect relationship. Write your answers in your notebook. Learning task 8. Complete each compound sentence to show problem-solution relationship. Write your answers in your notebook. Cause and effect shows clear relationship between ideas showing the cause why a certain thing happens and an effect of the identified cause. Meanwhile, problem solution portrays a relationship of ideas in a sentence where one idea poses a problem and provides possible solution to it. And for our learning task 9, choose the letters of the best answers. Write your answers in your notebook. I hope you understand the lesson. And I hope you're all done. That's all for today.